Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the app ready. Install Google Photos and sign in with the account you want to store images in. Once done, grant Photos full access to all photos so uploads aren't blocked, and enable Background App Refresh so uploads continue when the app is backgrounded. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and check your Google storage quota. If you're low on space, pause and free enough room. Now open the Photos app and we'll start the actual backup process. You'll now turn on the engine. Tap your profile icon, go to Photos Settings, and open Backup and Sync. Flip Backup and Sync on. Choose Original for full resolution or Storage Saver to reduce file size and use less storage. Make sure you decide whether cellular uploads are allowed. Toggle that if you need immediate uploads off Wi-Fi. Then select which folders or albums on your iPhone to back up automatically. Once those options are set, Google Photos begins uploading your pictures in the background. Finish by confirming your images arrived. Tap Photos or Device folders to see uploaded thumbnails and any pending items with progress dots. If you want a picture right away, select it and tap the upload icon to force an immediate backup. This is handy for single critical photos. If uploads stall, make sure Photos has full photo access and Background App Refresh. Free up Google storage if full, sign out and back in, or restart the phone. That usually clears stuck uploads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.